For this week's set of prompts, we are going to be focusing on opinion or argumentative writing. In the state of Ohio, opinion is for grades kindergarten through fifth grade, and argumentative is grades 6 through 12. So you get to decide which word best describes the kind of writing that you are going to be doing this week. I'm going to ask you to take a stance on an issue today and ask you actually to focus on if you thought it was right to close the schools. And when we think about schools, maybe if you are coming from a university standpoint, you think about was it correct to close the universities? If you are in kindergarten through 12th grade, you can think about the kindergarten through 12th grade schools. Do you think it was right to close the schools? Why or why not? Pretend like you are standing in front of the governor and you want to convince him or her of your stance. Set your timer for 7 minutes and 42 seconds.